Understanding the red, yellow, and green zones for drones in India. If you're a drone enthusiast or planning to use a drone for commercial purposes in India, it is crucial to know the country's drone flying regulations and zones. The Indian government classifies locations into 3 categories: red, yellow, and green zones based on the land usage and population density. The red zone includes areas near airports, defense establishments, and other strategic locations. Flying a drone in this area is prohibited without prior approval from the authorities. The yellow zone comprises of areas near the international borders, vital installations like dams, and state borders. Special permissions are required to fly a drone in this zone. The green zone includes areas outside the red and yellow zones. It is generally safe to fly a drone in these areas, though certain restrictions like flying above 400 feet and staying clear of sensitive locations still apply. So, ensure to check the drone flying regulations in your area before taking to the skies. And that's our breakdown of the drone zones in India.